Today's recipe is a chicken keema. Why would I show you a chicken keema when I've already shown you several keemas in the past? Today's recipe is very different. A white colored chicken keema. Chicken Malai Keema. Now because this is a Malai Keema or a white keema, it's very high on flavor but no color at all. It's just all white and whatever the oil kind of leaches out in terms of flavor and color. First things first, a pan on high flame and vegetable oil. Now in this case, slightly more oil. Now chicken has a tendency of drying out. So more the fat, more the oil, it just kind of helps us. Allow the oil to heat on high flame and then we begin flavoring this. Once the oil heats up, we'll begin with cumin seeds, cinnamon and black cardamom. I'm going to immediately follow this with green chillies, dried red chillies and finely chopped red onion. Once the onions just kind of begin to turn golden brown in color, I'm going to add in the mince of chicken. Now in this case, preferably if you can speak with the person who gets you poultry, if you can get the mince only of chicken thighs, then that has a lot of fat and that will add in to the beauty of the final finished product. Let's add in the mince. We need to mash this up like so and ensure this gets fried on high flame. And time to bring in the rest of the ingredients, beginning with whipped curd, cream. Let's increase the flame and cook all of this till it almost kind of dries out. Time to add in some more flavors, beginning with salt, which is like a catalyst to bring out all the other flavors. Garam masala powder. Again, do not overdo this because you want the flavors to be nice and subtle. Dried fenugreek leaves. And last but not the least, fresh mint leaves, finely chopped. Let's mix all of this together and ensure that this becomes nice and bhunaued or pan-seared or pan-fried. You need to remember the fact that the chicken mince or the chicken keema is not really going to take a lot of time to get cooked, and that's the reason why all of this needs to happen only on high flame. With this, your chicken keema is done and ready. Very quick, very simple, very easy. With this, off goes the flame and this straight goes on your dinner table with some pav, some mint leaves, onion and squeeze of fresh lemon. Enjoy.